Mobile ransomware. With the increased popularity of ransomware on PC platforms, ransomware targeting mobile operating systems has also
proliferated.
Typically, mobile ransomware payloads are blockers, as there is little incentive to encrypt data since it can be easily restored via online synchronization. Mobile ransomware typically targets the Android platform, as it allows applications to be installed from third-party sources. The payload is typically distributed as an APK file installed by an unsuspecting user. It may attempt to display a blocking message over top of all other applications, while another used a form of clickjacking to cause the user to give it device administrator privileges to achieve deeper access to the system. Different tactics have been used on iOS devices, such as exploiting iCloud accounts, the Find My iPhone system to lock access to the device. On iOS 10.3, Apple patched a bug in the handling of JavaScript pop-up windows in Safari that had been exploited by ransomware websites. It recently has been shown that ransomware may also target ARM architectures, like can be found in various Internet of Things devices, such as industrial IoT edge devices. In August 2019, researchers demonstrated it's possible to infect DSLR cameras with ransomware. Digital cameras often use picture transfer protocol, standard protocol used to transfer files. Researchers found that it was possible to exploit vulnerabilities in the protocol to infect target cameras with ransomware.
That's it for now. See you in the next video.